much to our media friends. But before we continue, we are actually honored to have with us a very special person whose love and encouragement has been pivotal in Catherine's success. Would like to take a moment to hear a few words from the person who has been by her side on this journey. Ladies and gentlemen, the Provincial Director of Miss Universe Philippines Summer Island, Mr. John Minas. Sir?
Hi, good evening. Good evening, everyone. I'm John Minas, the local director for Miss Universe Philippines Summer Island. Good evening.
Any message, sir, for
Catherine, my message for her is always have faith, and I know Catherine will do the best. Tsaka nakikita ko sa kanya bilang isang waray nun na babae, permila na ato. Palaban. So, I would like to thank all of you and sa mga kababayan naming waray nun. So, I am asking for your support and please support Catherine sa kanyang endeavor dito sa MUPH National. So, marami pong mga waray doon na mga very talented at hindi lang sila masyadong vocal, but if you see even in the international, may kita nyo yung mga very talented na mga stylist. So, ako bilang usang waray noon, naaraw ako yung suportahan naton mga ikasiwaray. Labi na naton mga stylist, ng mga sikat, di da ibang nasod. Kung nabati ka mo, yan na, adi kami. Ako bilang usang waray noon, igaato ko aton pagkawaray noon. Kaya di rin kita mapaperdibisan kita diin. Maharap ako, kita, permila kita na nanilimbaso. Ngan kita, permila kita, bisan na kita ginuubos, permila kita na naato. Damo nga salamat.
Sir, may tanong na ako sa inyo. What made you decide to franchise the Miss Universe?
One thing na nakita ko kasi maraming talented po sa lugar po namin sa Samar. Very talented from production, from sa mga candidate. So, I bring this opportunity para sa aming lahat. So, ito, wala po itong kung sino man yung nakasama ko dito, buong puso namin itong dinala sa Samar para ma-showcase po namin kung ano po ang beauty meron po ang Summer Island. So, ito po ay bukal sa aming loob para dalhin ang MUPH.
Are you the one who decide to choose the designer for our outfit? Are you the one who decide?
I have the team that will decide to choose the designer.
Catherine, ano masasabi mo sa yung provincial director?
There is nothing but gratitude in my heart because honestly, Mr. John Minas was my gateway to the national stage. If it didn't bring the Miss Universe to Summer Island, I wouldn't be here. So sir, damo nga salamat.
Ang galing-galing mo sumagot.
Thank you so much.
Siguro nung bata ka para sagot ka sa magulang. Galing sumagot.